What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today we have a lot of fun things to do today on our WRX. As you've seen our last videos with our new wrap review and everything, we got a lot of good feedback. So thank you guys for all your support. I don't know if you guys noticed, but our car ride height is slightly off. If you were paying attention, the front is slightly higher than the rears, and right now we're still experiencing some rubbage in the back. Hold on, get some boost. Woo! Anyway, sorry. We are still rubbing the back a little bit. So the 18x10s with 30 offset is a little bit too aggressive, even with Kevin banging the fenders. So the only two options we have left is either to shave all the metal off, which I don't want to because we're gonna lose some clips pretty much, and I don't want to lose the strength of the flares holding onto the car. So the next option is where we're going right now. We're going to True Works, and which I just missed the exit. Sorry. Okay, so we're gonna go True Works right now to have him adjust the rear suspension, raising it up. I think like maybe a quarter and a half or so on the ISC coilovers, and then do a full alignment. Our front is maxed already, so we cannot lower the car anymore, which I kind of want to, but at the same time, all of our friends telling us if we lower the car anymore, we're gonna rub. So we don't want that either, and we do want to track this car soon with the event coming up in a few months. So we want to get it ready. All right, guys, I haven't updated you guys on the secondary cat delete. I see a lot of comments asking about if there's a check light, if we delete the secondary cat. So there's no check light. So you're gonna go. We also made about 15 pounds of boost the other day on the way to Subi Fest. So that was a huge gain from just taking on the secondary cats. So a lot of potential for this car, guys. Makes a lot of power, drives super good. So we're gonna get some exhaust clips for you guys right now. So at 10K subs, we are giving away a set of wheels, so to a lucky subscriber. So make sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, see you guys. Full boost. Ah, 3,000 RPM. This is where you get maximum drone. Sorry, 3,500. So it's pretty drony, but other than that, the car sounds amazing. So make sure to do this. You have to delete your cats, secondary cats, your resonators, and get some remark up for deletes. 40 minutes late. Don't be late, guys. When you're late, now we got Uber back. So anyway, so Robert's gonna be working on the car right now, and then we'll keep you guys posted once he's done. All right, guys, we're back. I have here a box from NBR Motorsports. They sent us some more stuff. If you've seen their stuff before, I put the fuse box cover on our WRX. So today they sent us some more goodies we're gonna put on the car, but our car's not here right now. It's at the alignment shop still. So I brought in my friend's car, Adrian. He also has a 22 WRX, and we're gonna be installing some really cool stuff. So the first part, which I already opened one. These are go to the left and right side of the engine bay. So some cool carbon fiber covers. Looks super sick. So this is a little nice 2x2 weave again. Very lightweight, very durable. Clip goes very nice. So I want to put these on our car, but for the hood scoop, which is super nice, I was gonna put it on our car, but unfortunately we just wrapped our car. In order to install the hood scoop, I would need to take the wrap off. So, and then in this moment right now, we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna put it on our friend's car. So let's check it out. Damn. So here it is. Here's a hood scoop. Super nice, like I said. Wow, I wish I could put it on our car, but we can't right now, unfortunately. That's that, and then we have one more part, which we are gonna test fit on our car later, once we go pick it up. I'm not sure, there's so many of them. I'm so excited, I love opening up packages. Okay, so. All right, guys, so here is the hood scoop. And then it seems like I did a test fit real quick. This goes directly over your OEM, so you don't need to take off anything, which is pretty nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying the tape, the 3M double-sided tape. The application said use glue, but the customer does not want to run glue on the car, on his OEM paint, so we're just gonna go with the 3M double-sided tape, which I think is good enough. So after you apply the 3M double-sided tape on, remember they give us glue, but the customer doesn't want glue on the spot, so I think 3M tape is good enough, like I said. So we're gonna peel this off, and then apply it on the car. So let's get started. So I already cleaned it, and then pretty much I'm just gonna slide the bottom in and then apply down. So here we go. Got my corners. Set it down. Just like that. Dude, that's so easy. The fitment's really, see, spot on with the line. Alright guys, so here it is, the NBR Hood Scoop cover. I wish you could put it on our car, but we couldn't. So fitment is pretty good. Like my honest opinion, 9.5 out of 10. It needs some like extra like adhesive to put it down, but like I said, customer didn't want to use a glue. So if he did, it'd be perfect. Other than that, it looks really good. Looks very aggressive, especially with the front two like here poking out. So yeah, I think car looks amazing. Customer has our V7 side skirts, V7 side skirts, V7 splitter, V7 side skirts, and the V5 rear diffuser. Super aggressive. He also has a remark exhaust as well. Yeah, looking very nice. I'm gonna give the car to him right now, and let's get his reaction. So this is Adrian, owner of the 22 WRX. He just wants to be fast. Second place?
Yes.
Second place, best VB.
Cleanest VB.
Cleanest VB. But yeah, this would you rate it 1 out of 10?
9.5.
Me too. I said 9.5 too. Great minds think alike. Anyways, yeah. So NBR, thanks for NBR hooking it up. We're gonna do the engine shrouds on our car and the gas caps. But on the hood scoops, they're going on Adrian's VB. So if you're interested, make sure to hit him up. If you're interested in seeing Adrian's build, make sure the link is in the bio below. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a bit because Adrian's gonna take us to pick up our car. All right, guys. So we're in Adrian's car right now. Limited model, guys. This ain't the base model like we have. First thing I noticed right away is the power seats. I am extremely jealous, to be honest. Oh, look at this. Oh, so nice. Oh, going the wrong way. Sorry. Adrian just put on a pitch stop, right? Yeah. So we're gonna try that out. Also, he has an STI short shifter, so I'll get a good comparison, yeah, compared to our Boomba short throw. A lot higher than the Boomba. Boomba's just a little bit like I think like an inch, right? An inch or so lower. Pitch stop's an inch. So one thing I really noticed is the suspension. So because Adrian, you're on stock suspension right now, so it does feel a lot more comfortable than aftermarket. I mean, obviously our car is slammed, but yeah, it feels really good. Short throw from STI, very smooth as expected. I wish the car was slightly a little louder, but I know you're gonna be putting a mid pipe on, right, from Remark.
Yeah. Hopefully it gets here.
Yeah. So yeah, the Remark axle back right now. Yeah, sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. I don't know why we're playing this Korean song, anyways. So anyway, this screen right here is very useful. It has all the temp gauges, unlike ours on the bottom. So very nice, very convenient to look at this compared to the small one. I wish we had this, but maybe they'll come and upgrade for this later on. But other than that, yeah, the car feels the same compared to ours. It's not as loud, no drone, guys. So this is very nice. 14 peak boost, pretty good. So I think if you get the secondary cat delete, you'll get a lot more boost. All right, guys, we just picked up our car. Alignment's good. We raised the car up about like 1/4 inch in the back. Looks amazing, feels great, drives straight. Gonna really look at this. What the? See that? Do you see that? She almost swiped us, bro. Anyways, all right, guys. So we're back in a WRX. We just left Adrian's WRX, and after driving his, man, his seats and the screen makes a big difference. But nonetheless, you know, we're good to be back on our WRX. And then he's right in front of us right now. And then there's a cop in front of us, so we're gonna take it easy. So yeah, we raised the car up about 1/4 inch in the back. The camber was 1.6 on the right side and 1 on the left side. So we maxed them both out to 2.6 right now. So a little bit more camber, a little bit better handling. So yeah, car drives really good. Feels really great. Yeah, we're excited to take it to the canyons this weekend and to really give the car to really get a feel for the car. So aside from that, we're gonna head back to the shop and install the 2 carbon fiber shroud pieces on our car. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm here to install the NBR's carbon fiber shroud pieces. So I already installed one on the other side, as you can see. It looks pretty good, fits pretty good. Pretty much all I gotta do is take off the 3 clips here on the side. This is a rubber OEM piece. And then you get your carbon fiber shroud, and you pretty much just slide it in towards the back. And the holes should line up right here, around the top. And you just pop these in. I'm missing a clip on my other side. I don't know where it went. It fell into the agent base. I gotta go find it. Clip that in. No drilling, no cutting, and there you go. Super simple. Now that we have these, we have also the NBR fuse box cover, and then we're gonna test fit one more part in a bit. The last piece of the puzzle for today's installation is NBR gas cap cover. So I like the thing about their products is so easy to put on. There's no cuttings, no drilling. Just simply putting some overlays on. So you just take off the 3M double-sided tape. I'm wearing gloves, so it makes it a little difficult for me. Just like that, and then make sure it's clean, which I already cleaned beforehand, and then just simply stick it on, push it in, make sure the tape is sitting down properly, and then I'm gonna test it out by taking it out, and there you go. Look at that. Extra carbon fiber, just like that. There you go. Boom. All right, guys, we're back. Also, we're back with the car. So as you can see, I raised the car up a little bit. So to confirm, you could run the 18x10, 30 offset, 255/35 with some shave fenders, and then other than that, yeah, with no rubbing. We went over like a train track at really high speed, no bumps. So we're excited. I'm very excited to drive this around now. Other than that, yeah, that's it for this short episode. We have a lot more stuff coming really soon. New duck spoiler coming soon. I'll show you guys in a few weeks. Other than that, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. I'll catch you guys next time.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on